Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make some Jamaican Festival. Now some of the ingredients that we're going to need are some milk, baking powder, salt, cornmeal, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, coconut oil. And the reason why I use coconut oil is because I substituted for the butter, and I just love the flavoring that it gives. It gives more of that coconut flavoring. And so that's what I'm going to be using instead of butter. Then your sugar and some flour. And so let's get ready and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, we're gonna start off by adding our dry ingredients with 2 1/4 cups of flour. Alrighty. Gonna add our 3/4 cups of cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm gonna mix this together before I add my wet ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in here. There you go. And I have a cup of milk, but with the milk I've already added my vanilla extract. So I put a teaspoon of vanilla extract in the milk. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix this in by hand. I'm gonna slowly add in the milk. After I've blended in the coconut oil, I'm gonna slowly add in the milk. You can't be afraid to get your hands messy. It smells so good. You can smell the vanilla in there. With the mixture of the cornmeal. Just want to knead it real nice. You got a good consistency now. It's a good dough for it. Just like that. And what we're gonna do to help it out, we're gonna lay it down just like that, cover it up, and let it rest for an hour. And we'll get back to you. The festival's been sitting for about an hour, the dough. My mom, she's gonna go ahead and form it at this time.
Festival is great. I didn't have it because I came here as a child, so I didn't have it till I took a trip to Connecticut, and I went to Crisco's Golden Chris restaurant in Connecticut, and that's when I was introduced to festival, and I love it since. So now I'm gonna make it and put it in the oil. I'm eating my oil to 350. Thank you. So this is how I form it. And I tip it in the flour to, you know, it's not too soft to roll it. And just make it like you're making dumpling, the small dumplings. And this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna put it in. I'm getting another one ready. Get a little points. There you go.
Now it takes about 5 to 7 minutes for the festival to fully cook.
It's cooked, so I'm gonna take that one out. See how brown they are? They cook fast because the oil was really warm. All right. Yeah.
This recipe makes about 18 to 20 festivals. Right now we're on our last batch. They're nice and golden brown. It's looking real nice. Everything's smelling good. And we're gonna be done pretty soon. This is it right here. We finished up the festival. Looks golden brown. Smells so good.
It's delicious. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Here's what we're eating for dinner. We have our jerk chicken, our white rice. We have our festival and our little salad. So can't wait to feast.